today for today's discussion, I will discuss the 7 steps in moral reasoning and I will narrate the greatest decisions I ever did in my life related to 7-step moral reasoning. The 7-step moral reasoning. The first one is stop and think. Before making any decision, it is nice to take a moment to think about the following: situation self, your role in the situation, other internal external factors such as people who might get involved in the result of the decision and the potential effects of the decision. So, stop and think. The greatest decisions I did in my life is the going to college. Because going to college is a big commitment and the whole idea can be a bit of overwhelming. College can be expensive, but there are many resources that can help grant and scholarship that can be earned to help reduce tuition costs and other expenses. Sometimes there are programs that can contribute as well. For example, is the scholarship of the governor of Batangas. The second one is the clarify goals. In the decision making, it is essential to determine your goals, both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals are those that need to be accomplished right after or immediately after a decision is made, and then the long-term goals is that which the result may come out after some times. So remember that while a college education is expensive, it also opens doors to opportunities for the positions and advancement that may not have been available without it. Many hotels in our industry prepare to hire college graduates and many higher ranking positions that reduce skills that a college education can help. The third one is determine facts. Make sure that all essential information is considered before you make a decision. To determine the facts, solve first what you know, then what you do. What do you still need to know? Make sure that facts are reliable and credible, since these facts would be the basics of your decision. So, college students benefits from spending time with their peers in more ways than just having fun. Even now that we are taking online classes, we can enjoy the benefits of building positive relationship within my classmate. The classmate with whom you collaborate on a project today could be the source of an expected job in the future. The fourth one is develop options. Once you know what your goals are and facts as well considered already, then you can make a list of actions that are possibly be your options. If you can think of only one or two choices, you are probably not thinking hard enough. So choosing a college in your life and is one of the most important decisions for me because it's true. When you're in college, it will have a lasting impact on your personal and professional life. The actions that can be made is maybe you may not know what career you want to pursue, but you know what your interest. First is the self-reflection because you need to begin to have a better understanding for your own priorities. Succeeding in college is rather like succeeding in life. It really much more than us than it's about college. So you need also to consider why you are in college. There will be a challenges during your college career. There are times that you feel like giving up, and then goals help you set priorities and remain motivated and committed to your better decisions, and setting priorities can help you see what you need to do next and work to stay positive and people, and you will find that you are motivated to achieve success. Then the fifth one is consider consequences. After developing options, which are possibly your basis of action, you must consider consequences of each option. The possible consequences in college life is overstudying that can lead to stress, which is bad for our health. Because it is very negative health effects on the body and also can cause depression. Spending too much time on homework can also lead to many health problems. Another one is financial problems such as buying a book, school supplies, school uniform, and especially the allowance. Sometimes we don't have enough money to survive all the expenses they need to pay. The sixth one is choose. After consideration of all the consequences from the options, make a decision now. If you are doubtful of your choice, try the following. Task to people whom you trust. Think of someone you think has the character of good decision maker. So, as the result with the guidance of my family, who always there for me, I decide to go in college to start fresh because college is the perfect opportunity to break out the old child and become someone totally new. My family and friends shape my life to grow as a person, to grow as a person now. And then I can't imagine myself without them. I just take time to enjoy learning on what I truly love, and then college can give an independence that I need. So as the opportunity to start making my own decision. So the last one is monitor and modify. Ethical decision makers monitor the effect of their decisions and are willing to modify their decisions. Though it takes a lot of humility and courage to do such, it is necessary if the decisions had been made has a lot of ethical consideration. So these decisions serve as my starting point from everything. For me, college was the best time of my life. I had a really fun time and I'll always be thankful that I was able to have that experience and decisions in my life. The idea here is that college is more than just a way to get a high paying job. It's a way for it's a way for us to enjoy life and become the person you were meant to be. So that's all for today. I hope you understand what is the decisions I made and then also the seven moral reasoning. Thank you.